So how to install Android Studio on your PC? Go this link developer.android.com.studio. Then you can see bottom right corner 64 byte. If you are using 64, then just select this one, or you can download this one. Then press on I have agreed, download the studio. Now you have to save it on your PC, and it's now 1.1 GB, so you have to wait to complete the download. Once download complete, you have to double click on your apps, and now you have to press on yes, next, and you can select your path. C drive, it's okay for me. If you want to change, then you can change. Press on next. Now if you want to create shortcut, okay, I want to create shortcut, no problem. Then press on install. Now it's installing. Once done, press on next again and press on start studio. And if you have already file, but I don't have file, do not import setting, press on OK. And now the setting is allow Google to collect user data, so I don't want to send. Then press on don't send. Now it's almost ready. Press on next, and you can customize with next. Let's see. So I don't want to customize. Then previous, go on to select standard, press on next, and press on next, and you have to select accept. Now press on finish. Now it will download again, so it takes some time again. Now it's downloading complete. For this process you need 30 or 1 hour. It's depend on your internet speed as well. Now you have to press on finish, and now you can see the Android Studio, and you can customize from here, customize, add plugin or anything. And by default you can see your virtual device management, and this is the device. You have to press on allow to enable your device. Press on add. Now you can add your phone, portrait mode, press on finish. Now it will be add. And now if you want to add new project, press on add, and if you already have project, then you can export it. Now press on, and suppose I want to select a mobile tablet and empty, press on next, and from here select your name, test, and you can select your API or version, and press on finish. Now your Android Studio is ready to use. Now you can write code and do anything with your new iOS Studio. So that's it. Thank you. If video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe, and don't forget to share as well. Thank you. Have a good day.